So I think for me, short films is extremely liberating. Like, in terms of there's no compulsion of commercials. Like you're working with small budgets. Of course, all those constraints are there. But I think as a storyteller, it's like, and as a director, I think it's like the best medium ever, because you really are about exploring your craft and the storytelling that you want to do without any hesitation, without the commercial trappings, without ki abhi comedy hona chahiye, ki abhi, you're staying true to that gamut of 20 minutes or 17 minutes or whatever you're trying to tell. So I think that way it is great. Secondly, I think short film is great because it helps you find your voice. Like, it helps you figure out that this is what you're good at, this is your sensibility. This you can keep exploring, and you can figure out, like, even Charlie Chaplin, if you go back to his entire history, it was only short films initially, like, right? Of course, the technique also didn't allow then, but it's just fabulous, his history of short films. So I think it's just history repeating itself, and we're coming back to the whole short film format. And that is two things I feel very strongly about short films: that one, you find your voice, and second, it's just a liberating experience. And thirdly, what was your next question? Yeah, how do you figure out which subject, basically, right? So
Yeah.
for me, it is see, this was something I learned during my Rajshri trip, that they helped me figure out that this is a story that is meant to be told as a TV series. This is a story that is meant to be told as a short story. This is a literature story. This is a film story. So what was most distinguishing for a feature film story was, is there an inspiring tale that you want to tell, and does it have all the necessary commercial ingredients that are needed to tell it in that big format? So if it is inspiring and if it is satisfying at the end, then it is best to tell it in the commercial format. It is best to tell it in the feature film format. In a short, of course, now, I mean, that is one way of thinking. You can experiment different ways also, but generally a satisfying ending is extremely important. It need not be, or a cathartic ending, not necessarily be a happy ending, but just generally, where are you leading your audience to? You have to give them a closure. That kind of stuff is in feature. And then the second thing in that I figured out for short films is that there is something that you can, like, leave it loose, leave it closed. You can leave it for people to understand and interpret. But I think that line is fading. That is coming in features also, in certain classic modules, where you actually, where filmmakers can afford to take that risk, and it goes on into tentpole cinema kind of content. But but some distinguishing factor is the inspiring element. I think on the big screen, we just definitely want to see inspiring content. So I think, there have been some good things and some not so good things. So I feel the budgets have obviously increased. The people are willing to people are seeing it as a much more credible medium than before. And the cameras are better, so obviously you're getting better results and all that. All that to obvious are there. There was a period when people in short films in India were telling different kind of stories. Like, there was a nuanced storytelling that was happening, which keeps happening now and then. But I sometimes feel we're becoming too message driven in our short films. I feel there's a reason, there's a huge spate of short films which is very message driven. So I feel that, this is one format we can actually try and do something more experimental, like tell much more hard hitting stuff, or tell, so that I think is ruining the whole feel of short films in a way. Some places it works. Sometimes, in fact, a social message is best told in a short film. So I think that is something we need to be careful about, that let's not make it only message driven. So I think that's one of the things that I feel we should be careful about. And secondly, I feel that actors, I think, are coming more welcoming more towards short films. I think they're getting to do a lot more. It's a great, again, apart from the director, I think it's totally an actor's medium also. So it's like the actor is getting to explore that this is a role I can't do in commercial, but I can do it in a short. So, things they're all becoming calling cards, but better calling cards. So me and my husband were on a walk, and we were just generally discussing ideas, and he came up with this one line that a boy and a girl meet on a bus, they judge each other, and finally the judgment leads to a conversation, and at the end of it, the girl has to get off, and she asked, and in his story the girl was like the rich, the urban one, and the guy was the rural desi one, and how the girl basically asks the guy to come along. So we took that. I was like, okay, that sounds interesting. It can be conceived in a 15-minute format. It's a nice, sweet, feel-good story kind of a thing. And then I took it. It was with one of my two of my co-team members, Amit, who's my music director, as well as Vipula. We sat in the story, and some tweaks happened. All three of us ideated, brainstormed, and then it was written down as a one-pager. Then the one-pager, I shared it with my sister, Meghna Singhi, who's also a published author. I said, does this one-pager interest you? So she said, yeah, let me see if I can do something with it. And she sent me a 5-pager on that one-pager, like a nice, cute dialogue draft with like the characters of, like she had changed quite a bit from the one-pager that we had sent, but she had took the 3 essential points that were there in the one-pager. One is that let's not judge each other by the language we speak, and second is that that will you come, like so the beginning, middle, end she took, and the basic soul she took. And then after that, she made the characters of Reina and Udyan like in that layered manner, where she made the girl travel journalist and the guy auto car. So all that, she gave all that character, and she gave beautiful dialogue to it and all that. And then I was like, okay, I want to go shoot this. When I first read the first draft, the first instinct, it's very important. I feel when you respond to it, instinct is like, there's something good. You should always remember that first instinct when you're writing something, when you're hearing something. That first instinct is what is actually you have to keep going back to, and that will keep guiding you. So I remember when I read the first draft, I felt that we are on a good page. And we ended up releasing the film around Hindi Divas, September 13th. And it was super well received. It was great to see the kind of love that it got.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you like what we do, follow us on our socials and check out our other uploads.